Dear students, this is e-content for the program Bachelor of Social Work. The subject is Basic Sociological Concepts of first semester of Mangalore University, and the session number is 22. The topic for this session is Culture and Society and Culture and Civilization. Let us begin with a recap of the previous class. In the previous class, students understood the functions of culture. The learning objectives are to understand the concept of culture and society and to understand the concept of culture and civilization. The expected session outcomes are that students understand the concept of culture and society and students understand the concept of culture and civilization. Let us begin with a look at the comparative analysis of culture and society. So, first, let us start with the meaning of culture and society and how it differs. So, whereas culture refers to a set of beliefs, practices, learned behavior, and moral values that are passed on from one generation to another, society means an interdependent group of people who live together in a particular region and are associated with one another. So next is what is culture and what is society. So culture is something that differentiates one society from the other, whereas society is a community of people residing in a specific area and sharing common culture over time. So what culture does and what society does. So culture unites the social framework through influence and society shapes the social framework through pressure. So let us have a look at what culture and society represent. So culture represents the rules that guide the way people live, whereas society represents a structure that provides the way people organize themselves. So whereas culture includes beliefs, values and practices of a group, society includes people who share common beliefs and practices. Examples of culture are fashion, lifestyle, tastes and preferences, music, art, etc. As examples of a society are economy, village, city, etc. So now let us have a look at the concepts of culture and civilization and have a comparative analysis between the same. So we will begin with the meaning of civilization and then move towards the distinction between culture and civilization and also have a look at the interdependence between culture and civilization. So let us begin with the meaning of civilization, and at the outset we will see the etymology of the word civilization. That is, the term civilization is derived from the Latin word civitas, which means a city. Next we will have a look at some of the definitions of civilization. So as per Kant, civilization means the outward behavior of man. As per Gillen and Gillen, civilization is a more complex and evolved form of culture. As per Ogburn and Nimkov, civilization is the latter phase of the superorganic culture. As per MacIver and Page, civilization is the whole apparatus of life. Now let us have a look at the distinction between culture and civilization. Civilization has a precise standard of measurement, but culture doesn't have the same. Secondly, civilization is always advancing, whereas culture is not. Third, the products of civilization are more easily communicated than those of culture. Fourth, civilization is borrowed without loss or change, but not culture. Fifth, the civilization is external and mechanical, while culture is internal and organic. Sixth, the works of civilization can be improved by anybody, but that is not in the case of culture. Seventh, the products of culture reveal the nature of an individual or a social group or a nation, but not the products of civilization. So, these are some of the points which highlight the distinction between the concepts of culture and civilization. Now, let us have a look at the session summary. The concepts of culture and society and culture and civilization are distinct from each other, and the key differences have been explained in this session. Let us have a look at some of the multiple choice questions. Number 1, people who share common beliefs and practices constitute A culture, B society, C both A and B, D none of the above, and the right answer is B society. Second, fashion, lifestyle, tastes and preferences, music, art, etc. are examples of A culture, B society, C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. And the right answer is A. Culture. The third MCQ is that civilization means the outward behavior of man. This definition was given by A. Gillin and Gillin, B. Ogburn and Nimkov, C. Kant, D. MacIver and Page, and the right answer is C. Kant. The fourth MCQ is that civilization is a more complex and evolved form of culture. This definition was given by A. Gillin and Gillin, B. Ogburn and Nimkov, C. Kant, D. MacIver and Page, and the right answer is A. Gillin and Gillin. The fifth MCQ says that civilization is the whole apparatus of life. This definition was given by A. Gillin and Gillin, B. Ogburn and Nimkov, C. Kant, D. MacIver and Page, and the right answer is D. MacIver and Page. So these are some of the books and website which have been referred for the preparation of this e-content, and the students can definitely go to these books and refer these books and also this website for a better understanding of this topic. Thank you.